Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make faces look better in your videos using CapCut? You can do it with the AI Retouch feature in just a few simple steps. This feature helps smooth skin and improve facial appearance automatically. Let me show you how. First, open CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Tap Edit. Then select Retouch. Next, choose the video you want to edit. Once the video opens, tap the face option with the face icon. After that, go to looks. Here, you will see many face retouch styles and filters you can choose from. In this example, select Dolly Classic. Once selected, you will see an adjustment bar labeled Retouch. You can drag the slider to control the intensity of the effect. If you move it to the right, the face retouch effect becomes stronger. If you move it to the left, the effect becomes softer and more natural. Adjust it until you get the look you want. This makes it easy to improve facial appearance directly inside CapCut using AI tools. And that's how to make faces look better in CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.